Hello, this is John from WHMCS. In this video tutorial, I will be showing you how to configure a server in WHMCS. Adding a server is the first step in allowing the software to manage the hosting accounts upon it. Begin by navigating to Setup, Products/Services, Servers. From this page, you can manage existing servers. To add a new server, click Add New Server. Enter a name to identify the server. This can be anything you like. Also enter its IP address and host name. All the details you need on this page should be provided by a hosting provider or server admin. The max number of accounts setting is the most hosting accounts the server can handle. It's used for load balancing, as WHMCS can be configured to automatically provision accounts on the least used server. Enter the server's name servers and name server IPs in these fields. In this example, I'm using a WHM cPanel server, so select cPanel from the Type drop-down menu. Enter your server login details. These are the root or reseller details you use to administer the server. We recommend cPanel users enter the access hash for added security. To obtain the access hash, log into WHM and navigate to the Remote Access Key page. Copy the current access key and now return to WHMCS and paste the key into the access hash field as shown here. Finally, click Save Changes. Now, back on the server page, ensure the server is set as the default server for new accounts. This is denoted by the asterisk. If not, click the server name to make it default. And you're done! You've successfully added a server to WHMCS. Thanks for watching!